Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, Western omelet, world famous food style. Let's cook. Alright, so let's saute our bell peppers and some onions. I'm sorry, shallots. Shallots we're using, got a better taste than onions. Fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so now we're going to add our Spam, jalapeno version of course, and cook this for a little bit. Alright, so we got avocado oil, add some butter. Now, we got our 3 eggs with some Slapping Mama seasoning. Add this. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna add our Spam and pepper mix here. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Then we got our cheese. We're using some Sargento cheese here. Okay, so now we're gonna fold our omelet. Okay, let's look at this. And we're gonna just let the cheese melt. Okay folks, our cheese is melted. Now it's time to serve our world famous foods Western omelet. Okay folks, here's our Western omelet. Let's just cut this. Look at this. That nice melted cheese. Now look at that. World famous foods. Just let you guys know, this is my last video from NYC. Next video, be shooting from a different location. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. World Famous Foods.